Good morning, everybody. We are back here in New York. How's everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning. Where are you guys watching from? Let me set up my electrolytes. It's like impossible not to spill this. Okay. Let's see here. Somalia, Florida, Kenya, Germany, South Africa, Michigan, Thailand, Hong Kong. Someone said great analysis on NinjaTrader. Thanks. Let's see. I think, yeah, this is looking good. I'm thinking more upside is in the cards. I think 2,500s for NQ is in the cards. For NQ, it's just this 4-hour swing high. I mean, minimum, and then we'll see here. This is the buy side for ES, right? Let's put that up there. Had a little alert there. Okay. Morocco, Ethiopia, Oceania, India, Hungary, Taiwan, Bucharest, Texas got the black coffee in hand and ready to take some longs. Nice. Miami, Bulgaria, and Ireland. Nice. We got 10 a.m. news. I was just saying on NinjaTrader, I mean, it looks good. We closed above this gap on ES. We dipped only a tiny bit here. If you guys want to see my pre-market analysis, I do pre-market analysis on NinjaTrader from 9 to 9:15 before my stream, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I would like this London low to stay intact. I mean, we took out some liquidity here on NQ. We have actually a divergence here. SMT there. Looks good. Had some rebalancing here, moved up. It could come back into here. That's fine. But I'd just look for more upside. I wouldn't be surprised if it just like pump at the open, honestly. But I probably wouldn't find anything to get part of. But I would look at how we interact here. The blue boxes are driving you mad. You guys, yeah, did I have this before? I don't know. I don't remember. I feel like they were yellow before, so maybe I'll look at my chart appearance. You guys are always complaining. How about if I make it pink? I'm not going to remove it completely. I like to see where the overnight session is. If you don't like it, then whatever. Everyone's always complaining. Always complaining. Yesterday on Mondays I stream on NinjaTrader live trade there, and I had a banger. Literally bought the literally got a sniper entry. It was great, and was in drawdown for exactly 1 minute. I bought here, held through that, and bam, it's beautiful. And then took profits here. Most profits, and then got like stopped in profit here, something like that on a runner, and then kind of choppiness there rest of the afternoon. So nice to see some upside follow through during electronic. I missed the Reaper under my entry. I really didn't miss anything. It's crazy how you guys are like that. I don't fucking trade the Reaper. I don't even fucking know what a Reaper is. Once you find something that works for you, use it and ignore everything else. That's what ICT said. I found profitability before he started making those videos on that. So I have no idea what that is, and I don't care. And stop telling me that I missed a trade when I nailed it. Jesus. I'm in a pissed off mood now because you guys are so annoying, like complaining about everything. Telling me after I had a win that I did bad. I can't win. I can't win. Ever. Never, ever. Can't win. Guess what? Trading's not a competition. As long as you make money. I don't give a fuck if you got a better entry than me. Don't care. I made money. Anyway. Open is in 2 minutes. And we have 10 a.m. news. I triggered some of Twitter yesterday. It was kind of funny. Like, guys, that morning routine that like went viral. I've always been a Saratoga fan. I literally always have. You can check my tweet from like November under it, but I have a refrigerator full of Saratoga right now. Look, this is my refrigerator right now. We got the Saratoga, we got the Element Stay Salty Electrolyte Water, we got some San Pellegrino, we got more Element here. I got the Cook Unity Chef Prepared Meals, pickled onions, pickles, broccoli, grapes, and some leftovers here. And so funny. I was like, yeah, I was a Saratoga fan before it went viral. Here, this is from November. I don't got no bananas. I don't give bananas. Open in 30 seconds. I'll tell you more about how I triggered Twitter next later. If people have too much aggression when I do this for free, I agree. All right. So, yeah, I'd love us to hold up 50% of this little volume imbalance. This is what this is. It's a volume imbalance on the daily. So I would love for us to remain strong here. Don't really want us to close below this. So this dip is fine. We have another 15-minute FEG here. 4 hour, 15 minute, no, 1 minute. You can check the 1 minute now. Here's the open. I hope my... Yeah, you guys got me mad today. I'm not very mad in general, ever, so... And only recently my mom knows about my YouTube now, so hopefully she doesn't rewatch this later. Sorry, Mom, I cursed. Yeah, the New Yorker came out. Oh well. So, I'm just gonna wait. Ideally, we hold up 50% of this, and like these are 15-minute FEGs. I mean, ideally we hold up. We see some 1-minute structure shifts to the upside. We create some breaker blocks to the upside. Or we can just have some sort of time distortion. We're just chopping the first 30 minutes until 10, and then the 10 a.m. news, starts to move. Yeah, there's 2 different possibilities there. Castillo, when you have time, can you go back to a stream from a month ago for me and tell me just show me a screenshot of how my chart looked like. I want to see how my extended trading hours, was it always that blue color? I have a feeling it was yellow. ES on the left and Q on the right. It's a good day. It's a beautiful day to read price action. So I'll have alerts for if we hit above here. So far, pretty choppy back and forth, range bound, small candles only. Like I said, I've been only looking for shift structure up higher, so nothing yet. Ideally we hold midpoint. We can come back into this 4-hour FEG and discount on ES. Let's see on NQ. This is hourly, sorry, hourly FEG. NQ, we already rebalanced that, so maybe we get some sort of divergence there. I mean, we have an hourly here, FEG. We'll see. What did you guys vote? Bullish or bearish? 54% bullish, 28% bearish. Someone said they're also looking at the hourly FEG. Agree. Could be good. On the 15 here, NQ is a bit stronger. Well, we didn't really do much today so far. We're up nothing. Up 0.1%. Being said, I'm still relatively bullish. I'm still bullish. This is looking good. I'd like us to hold this area, shift back up. So let's see if we get it. And NQ's a little stronger here. ES had more of a drop there. Now, I'm simply putting alerts at the swing highs on the 1. NQ getting some gas here. Let's see, will it continue? Looking good. I mean, I just need a 1-minute shift, NQ starting to displace. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. See if it creates an FEG. No FEG, then I'm not doing it. Oh yeah. You swing high here. Yeah. I'm not going to the 30-second. Really? Why? Because this is a 15-minute point of interest. That's why. ES still weaker. So, nothing there. Alex getting ready, but nothing there. What's the heat map look like? Okay, so we're kind of just having time distortion at the moment, so I was probably waiting until 10 a.m. news. Okay, Nvidia's down 1%, Apple's up 0.7%, Tesla's down 1%. Yeah, it's pretty flat. Quite the drop there. I'm so happy I filtered that out. But now this is 50% of that, like, void. I said that I would like it to hold up. So I'm not giving out the opinion that it could still go higher from here. You know, we barely dropped. We're flat on the day basically right now. Right? So you look at the daily. If we don't pick up here, then, you know, if we go lower, that's okay. I'm just gonna wait until the long sets up, because for me, I like these divergences. I just don't think if London low gets taken out, then I'm like abandoning the buy bias. But for right now, it's still fine. Just feels like it's shaking people up. You know, too many people are bullish. 10 a.m. news, this could be time distortion. We're just choppy before or something. But we're going to change the title here, because today we are going to choose the giveaway live winner of the laptop. Since people sent requests to do it on live stream, which makes sense because I live stream mostly, and I've done other giveaway winners like that. So that's why I didn't choose it on Friday, because Friday I couldn't stream. I was on the flight back to New York. You don't trade the macro, says Salman. I don't know why. What kind of question is this? I don't understand. I said I'm looking for longs. There's no long setup. I'm not going to trade any random setup just because it's during a certain time. There's 10 a.m. news, so I'm good, bro. Unless there's a long setup that's clean. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm kind of tired. You guys made me tired this morning already. I was in a good mood. Midpoint of the daily liquidity void where we're at right now. Pretty much. Right? La la la. Or was this a 4 hour that I highlighted? I highlighted the 4 hour. Yeah. Cool. It's not looking too good right now. We've just been 1, 2, 3 legs lower. Pre-market, the London low is still intact. We have 10 a.m. news, so I'm not really like there's no long setup for me. I was bullish, so just waiting. Most people are bullish. Saya Catchell says, I swear if I win the laptop, I will go in the street naked. Been trading off phone for the past year. Bro, let me know which street you're at so I can avoid it. I'm not going outside today. Not going outside today. I'm not going outside today. Please don't do that. You'll get registered as a sex offender. Are you a Capricorn now? Lawrence, apologize. That does make me feel better. Okay. Some people are having issues with logging into Tradeovate. Is that true? Let me see. I'm logged in. Let me try One Micro or some shit. Let me try One Micro. I'm fine with that. I just paid $6 to let you know that. My Tradeovate's fine. All right, we have news in about 10 minutes. Should we do the giveaway winner now? Or after, like 11? Let's see. What are people saying? Everyone's saying now. Okay. Yeah, might as well before 10. All right. And yeah, this is from what was it? It's going to be the giveaway winner from the laptop. It's going to win can't even talk English. This is the giveaway winner for my 100K subscribers. So thanks, you guys. Actually, we'll do it when we get a certain amount of thumbs up on the video. Hit the thumbs up button. There's only 273 likes, and there's 2,500 people watching. Once we hit 750 likes, then I'll do the giveaway. We'll choose it. And the winner gets a laptop. They'll get their choice between a MacBook Pro M4 Max and a Lenovo ThinkPad, what was it, P1 something. Both are $3,200 value, so it's your choice whether you want Windows or Mac. So let's see. Already 549 likes, okay. Well, here it is. Let's see. Yep, this is the video. But let's do random comment picker. See, how much do we have? How many? There's 648 likes on the stream right now. As soon as we hit 750, I'll choose the winner. Filter duplicates. One winner. Get YouTube comments. How many comments do we have on this video? I had to pay $9 to do this, by the way, for this tool, because there's so many comments on the video. Bum, 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 bum. 2,224 unique comments entries. There's 725 likes on the video, on the stream right now. As soon as we get to 750, we'll hit start. What's love got to do? Got to do with it? Let's pull up the drum roll too. You hear? Yes. Okay, it's time for it. Congrats, X and Dreadju2690. He said, first of all, huge congrats. I started taking notes of my trades and emotions after trades. I've seen big improvement. That's what he's going to do to improve his trading. Congratulations. We're going to contact you. You just won a laptop, $3,200 laptop. Awesome. I'm excited. That put me in a better mood now. See? Okay. You are the winner, XN Dreadu. So we'll be contacting you. Oh, there's your Twitter. Perfect. I'll contact you right now. Uh-oh, open your DMs. Open your DMs. Congrats on being the We got SoundCloud. Listen to it. While we wait for news, might as well listen to it. What you got here? All right. You definitely did not expect we put that up on the stream when he entered that. All right, congrats to the giveaway winner. I'm excited I'm able to do that. Yeah, you got just free promo on the SoundCloud. He's part of the Island Boys. That's funny. So we got news in 5 minutes. I'm happy. I'm so happy I'm able to do this. Like, it's so fun. Giving away $3,200 laptop. Like, damn. She told me that 2 years ago. I'd be like, what? No, I'm the one that needs a laptop. What are you talking about? I personally only bought myself a laptop, actually, like my own laptop for myself, like 2 years ago or something. Yeah, 2 years ago. Before that, like I was part of like my college's scholarship program. We got a free laptop as part of that. I got a MacBook Air. And that kind of sucked because like I was an engineering major, and of course they gave us the smallest like storage. It's like freaking 125 gigabytes. And you know, you need a lot of space for those like CAD files and for MATLAB. I think there was one application that's like 10 gigabytes, you know, so I was always cleaning out my laptop. So the winner of this giveaway, you're getting a way quality more laptop, $3,200 value. I think it's 1 or 2 terabytes for the MacBook Pro, something like that. But sick, I'm excited. That was my first big purchase for myself. Yeah. Well, my MacBook Pro, my current MacBook Pro. If you count that, that's more of like a business expense, which is nice. I guess my first big purchase is this watch then. And this bracelet. I bought it at the same time. After the end of last year, I was like, I had a good year. This is my present to myself. This is dope, giving away computers now. Yeah, I know, right? There's not many people doing that. It's my own money too, sponsored by myself. I'm not getting Apple as a sponsor or Lenovo. Wish though. Let me know, Apple. I don't think they have influencers because they don't need to. Here's the 10 a.m. news. I'd like to see upside on both sides, you know? Ugh, just wicked it. Let's see. The first 10 seconds of the candle just wicked it. But it can come up again higher. We'll see. You know, we did have like a little market structure shit. Let's see on the 1. I'm not totally loving it. Like I'd rather have I mean, you could call this a breaker, but this 1 minute, 2 minutes quite ugly. It could work out. But I'm not loving this. ES so weak here. What the heck is going on? You know, if you're saying this, yeah, this broke a swing high. Sure, this is a breaker now on the 1 minute for NQ, but ES is so fucking ugly. Like this now retraced to 50%. NQ. It's ugly though, so I'm kind of waiting. I'd rather wait and get it on an inversion. You know, it's tough. Let's see. See, yes, if we dipped into it hourly. You know. So I'm happy we picked a giveaway winner. All right, SMT here. ES, you love the session. Right? Or is it equal low? Doesn't really matter too much, no. Equal low. Oh no, it made a new low. Okay. That's a SMT because it made a new low by 1 tick. For now, it's an SMT, right? So if I see an inversion to the upside for NQ, I'll take it. At the moment, I'm not loving it. I'm not loving this lack of closure here. The wick. The weakness. This is kind of ugly action this morning. No trade for me yet, but we did choose a giveaway winner just now. I'm relieved that they had their Twitter in their YouTube bio, so I could easily message them. Well, they have DMs closed, but hopefully they'll see. We'll get it to them. Phew. The volume's dead. Oh, I thought you were talking about my mic file volume for a second. Oh, you're talking about the trading volume was dead yesterday too? Ugh, that sucks. Ugh. Is this like high resistance conditions then, you know? I don't really love it. Obviously, I mean, I'm staying safe because, like, yeah, I'm happy. Obviously, I'm not loving it because look at the structure, right? This is what structure looks like from here. Like, if I just move this aside and it was like, hey, let me know you guys long or short. You know, if I was like, oh yeah, this is the price action for today so far. Obviously, it's ugly. The lower low, higher high. Then it's coming back to low. Lower low, higher high, lower low. On ES, on NQ, it's holding up the low for now. The low of the session, but doesn't mean it will. I don't love that we're back below that 15-minute FEG there. Because on the 15-minute, it was looking good. It was like wicking it, right? So we'll see again. If it holds this. That's kind of ugly, you know. 1, 2, 3 times in this. And ES, and it's hourly. You know, some people might say this was a structure shift. That's why I'm glad I waited until 10 a.m. news. I mean, this could be the divergence if NQ does not make a new low. I mean, I'll be ready for that, but I want to see some better, I want to see at least an inversion. I don't know. Like, which inversion would I go for? I mean, the 2 or the 3? Probably the 2 here. You know? Or something better. Yeah. La papa. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until the 2-minute inverts. Give the beginnings of a possible smart money reversal there. So the next confirmation will be the inversion, which I will take. I'll take it. I'll be ready, but not yet. Some people might be taking this like 1 minute. I don't know what the stop, like, yeah. That's cool too, that there's a volume imbalance here that I'd like to mark out though. Yeah, so I feel as though, and that's part of the 2-minute. So that's why maybe I'll wait on the 1, because it is, I'll be ready for that, but, you know, gotta be sure with my stops here. My TPs. And there's no closure so far, so I'm not taking that. Nope. You gotta be careful. Nope. So let's see on the 2 maybe. See how this 2-minute closes. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. 30 seconds. I'd rather long the stronger ones. Why, like, you know, ES, maybe there's a 2-minute version, but I'd rather long the stronger. I'm getting ready to long here. All right, I'm in longs. This is literally my long setup, so. $2.3R. Can come back into the inversion, it's fine. I wouldn't want it to come back here. We have an SMT there. We have 2 bullish SMTs now, you know, I like that. So I'm in longs. Inversion type entry. Looks like a little volume imbalance is coming back into it. That would be good if it just if it holds up here. I wouldn't love it if we retrace too much here, but I'd keep this up. $500. Yeah, I'd go for 500. Say 1. I'm gonna take 1 off here. That would be cool. Yeah, so it really did hold up that little volume imbalance quite well, so that's good. Yeah, now we're going higher. So far, so good. There we go. Let's see ES. So far, it's a good sign that I'm in profit, like, immediately, you know? So let's see ES come back above these FEGs as well. And we'll have that for reference. But so far, NQ's doing quite well here. Let's get back above the 10 a.m. news high would be nice. It's pausing for a minute, so it's not that great. Back at break even-ish. Minus 5 points. ES took this little swing. It's fine, it's lagging, it's grinding. I'm gonna give it time. Hit the like button. We gave away a $3,200 laptop. We announced the winner just before 10 a.m. news here, if you missed it. We're back up in profit, like 5 points or so. I made the text bigger for you guys. You happy? It's like a blind person. Well, now you can barely even see the bars. Maybe I should make it a little bit, whatever, later. Yeah, this is good. Properties. Yeah, 18 is too big. Do like 16, 15. Better. Okay. So I was in slight drawdown, like negative 5 points the most. Yeah. So now I'm up 7 points. You know, the daily, we're still flat on the day. I think there's more upside to be had here. Got SMT, ES here. It's pretty much looking bullish. Like these are the 15-minute FEGs. We held up that 50% of that volume 4-hour volume imbalance, which is what I wanted to see. And then, you know, we had some inversions back to the upside. So I said, this is the first potential confirmation of a reversal. I'm just not going to do that. Some people do want to just buy that and try it out, which is cool. I just waited for the inversion here, and then I got in just around here, 14, yeah, after the 2-minute invert confirmed. So when this candle closed, I said I was getting ready to buy. And then, you know, it just it did retrace into this little volume imbalance on the one. It held strong, moved up, back down. Now we're going up again. So let's see some. Honestly, I'm not even too impatient to see speed today. I think it could just be a grinder. So I'm gonna definitely just remain patient today. It could be a grind up, slow grind up. And I'm not gonna be choking my stop today. You know, I'm positioned correctly. And I want like, you know, 90 points or so. I want 500. This is the 4-hour swing high. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. Hit the like button. I do talk about my trades, and show them whether I win or lose, you know. Not every streamer does that. And we're still not even sure. I'm like up like probably like 0.25 R right now. This could, you know, potentially, this is like, I'm up 0.4 R. Could potentially reverse and, you know, decide to be choppy and stop me out. I'd be fine with that. But so far, you know, it is looking like I'm on the right side. Okay, it's taking that 10 a.m. news high. ES is about to invert this. 1-minute FEG, that was like a large down move, so that's looking good. I mean, 2-minute FEG there. I'm liking the 2-minute more today. It's just looking cleaner. Because the 1-minute has a lot of stacked FEGs. The 2-minute's just one of them or so, you know? This is, I'm probably like 0.5 R or something. 0.64 R. How many points am I in profit there? 20. Okay. It's funny, M and Q didn't take it yet. And also I want pre-market high. If I end up getting stopped out, it just means we're in seek and destroy conditions, and I'm fine with that. I'm fine with getting stopped out when it's seek and destroy conditions. This is my point. Like, this low should stay intact if I'm correct. It could be high resistance and I'd still be fine. Because that low should stay intact even in high resistance. But if it takes this out, that means it's seek and destroy. And so far, it's looking good. I'm like in profit. Just a slow grind up higher day, and I'm okay with that. Look at the 15, have a little volume imbalance. It could even come back up here to my break even again. I'd be fine with that. I mean, this is a 15-minute volume imbalance. Yes, did not invert this yet, so you could have another pullback. Hopefully it doesn't pull back too much. Where are we in this 15-minute candle? We're in the second 5-minute. We just started it, so it'd be good. It'd be fine if it retraces now in the second 5-minute candle of this. If it retraces to here, I'm fine with that. Still looking pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, I'd like to wait this out. I think this is a good setup. 15-minute point of interest, 4 hours bullish. Going for more upside. Held my key areas. 15-minute point of interest. I took a 2-minute entry. Then I could just, if it's a 15-minute POI, I'll take a 1-minute entry too. Yeah, so actually so I ended up just taking this retracement to 50% or something, I'd still be fine with this. I'd be up. I wouldn't have gone stopped, but I waited after the news because it was pulling back and the structure wasn't that great. Just waited for another confirmation to the upside, which was just the inversion, the SMT here and the inversion. So what I don't want to really see is another, SMT to upside. But we broke 10 a.m. news to the upside on ES as well. So there is no upside SMT at the moment. So I don't really see the bear side anyway. And we just, okay, cool. We just inverted that 2-minute FEG on ES and we're closing back above that first 15-minute FEG. It's looking good. Pretty good. Let's see. Been in the trade for a while now. Since 10:06. 10:07, 10:08, since 10:08. So I'm just going to see how long. Does it state here? Duration? No. Okay. It's been in this trade for 16 minutes. So far, I had a good entry. Yeah, barely any drawdown. I'd like to see like some speed come in here, because here, yes, it's a swing high, and these bissies. I'd like us to just shoot through that, but we'll see. And Q is chugging along. How many people are watching right now? I wonder if it's more. 3,100 people. Wow. Welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We just gave away a $3,200 laptop. Or hit the like button if you're enjoying this. I mean, you know, I'm pretty happy with my analysis so far. It's going fine. I said also we could just grind higher. I'm going to be patient for that. I'm just going to take a tiny partial at the pre-market high, but I'm holding most of its position for 500s. I think that's a good psychological level. And also that this is the 4-hour swing high. I think that's what I'm. That being said, you know, it's got to work its way up. But so far, where's my entry? 14. That's near the open of the 4-hour, so it's a good entry. Near the open of the hourly. So I feel pretty good about it. If I think it's bullish and I'm long near the open, I think the candle will end green. It's good. It's 10:25. We're just chugging along. Chugging along. Chug. I'd like to see ES to displace above this. Someone said ICT's short. Okay. Good luck. You could be short to, and I could still be in my position. You'd be short just to here. I don't know. I really don't care. And I said what my idea was literally since 9 a.m. this morning. See if we follow bullish PA and ES. It could also be high resistance today. If that gets taken out, it's high resistance day. If this stays intact and we get bought up here, it's looking good for low resistance. Move back higher. So far, don't love that he has inverted it. We'll see how it holds up. Came into this area, but it's kind of sloppy here. This could potentially get taken out, come back into the volume imbalance. We'll see. It's back up. It's about to go to pre-market high for NQ now. Let's see. Okay. Boom. ES also breaking higher. Yeah, like I said, I want to see energy now through here. I do. Ideally. We're taking out that swing high. Yeah, I'd like to see us. We're getting energy though. We are. The 2 minutes, nice. I can move my stop to break even now because I like that energetic push up on NQ. I'm going to put it below here. It's displacing. Where the 3 PD arrays fail, it'd be like, well, let's see if this 1 minute FEG does it. Oh, this is 1 minute FEG. It's a down close and a swing low. So my stop is break even now. I don't care what we do. I want to see more continuation. Now this trade is free. Yeah. Swing low, FEG, and order block would get violated. That's 3 PD arrays. 3 PD arrays fail, your ass is next, you know? So, let's get him holding until 2,500. You guys, one of my friends told me that he's down $15,000 yesterday because he was he's not like an active trader, he's like an engineer. Because he was banking that we were gonna like we're gonna completely collapse. And that the dollar was gonna be worthless. And I was like, yeah, no, it's not gonna happen. You're letting like the headlines drive. He was like convinced that the tariffs are gonna put us in a recession. Like, even if that's true. It doesn't even mean that the stock market's going to go down that much. You can't let the headlines really dictate you. So, all in all, I want to say this is not even a high resistance liquidity. This is a low resistance liquidity run condition. Because that's why I'm happy with putting my stop up to this swing low now. Break even, because I would like it to continue to be low resistance. Like I said, 3 PDREs would fail. So what I mean by that is the swing lows remained intact, and swing highs keep getting broken. Even though it might be a little sloppy, it was 2-minute here, and now on the 2-minute here too as well. But we'll see. Sticking back into the order blocks, I'm happy I took a tiny partial there, pre-market high, and then I put stop break even. I'm happy with whatever happens here, but I anticipate us to still. I do anticipate us to still go higher from here. Even this closed up pretty nicely above this, so. And on the 5 too. So I anticipate this to remain intact. If it doesn't, then whatever. It's a free trade in the hard market environment. This is literally the last line of sand, is this midpoint of this order block. That's the last line of sand. Let's see. It's been a slow grind higher. I mean, I was hoping more energy. That's been the theme of the day. Bum, 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 bum. CES. It's doing fine. Just doing deep retracements, which is fine. Still, at the moment, not breaking a low. Bum, 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 bum. The 3 minutes funny. Those wicks. 15's fine. Hourly, like I said, I mean, my stop is now near the open of the hourly candle. So I'm fine with whatever we do here. Put an alert if I end up getting stopped out, because I'm not going to pay even too much attention. It looks good. We held up that last line of the sand for now. Right? Midpoint of that order block. We're going higher. It's tempting for me to just add more here, honestly, but just add in one more. But I mean, I might. We'll see if it closes above this. Did ES even hit pre-market high yet? No. All right, I'm just adding what I took off earlier. Okay, so I did add. Actually, I'm going to add one more. There we go. Let's see us make another swing high here. Let's see ES get to pre-market high as well. ES making a swing high. I mean, new high there. So I get this new high and then I'll move my stop to here. There we go. Stop is basically break even again. It's a nice candle. So I'm going to take off that one that I took off the one I added. Stops here now. Once ES crosses pre-market high, maybe I'll take another partial. On the second one, because I added two. Let's go on the 2 minute. It's funny ES is not taking out that pre-market high. NQ is looking stronger there. I'll take that second partial there. So I took off the two that I added around here. So 49 to around 65s. Not bad. Added to my winners. Let's get to 500s now. Now it's chill. I mean, this is a free trade I took. Yeah, it's pretty much a free trade now. One. Putting my stop break even just because this is a large order block. Don't really want it to come back below 50% of it. And my entry is above that. I mean, below that. So we're good now. We are displacing further. So we're good. Looking good. Added to my winners. I'm happy. I'm becoming ESs now. It's taking that pre-market high. I mean, I could have done that, marked that better, but that's looking good. So how much are we up on the day now? Just 0.5%. How much do we move so far? So 183 handles today? Yeah, we can definitely get up to here. So let's hold the rest. Hit the like button, bro. Can we see this? Do we have 1,000 likes on this stream? Come on. no matter what, I made money today. You know, took 3 off the table. Very happy. Remained very patient. Waited. Looking good. Indices are all in sync. I'm not worried about anything right now. Just let it play out. Tanya, how many trades per day do you recommend? If you're a beginner, you know, should be max 2 a session. Yeah. Where's the money gone? People are saying. If we hit 500, I'll get it. Okay, because I'm not jinxing this shit. I'm not gonna get it before it hits it. But it's like in my luggage, I think, still. You could see on Instagram my last post. As I said, I always have the money gun locked and loaded. Which actually, you know, I don't have it on the desk today because I just came back from Naples, Florida. Boom, boom, boom. You have massive balls, Tanya. I know. I don't even have balls. I have bigger balls than most of the men on Twitter and FinTwit and YouTube. I don't even have any balls. My imaginary balls of steel. You know, I've been learning a lot recently, and I'm excited. Okay, tomorrow we're going to be premiering an interview I had with Pax Trader 777 on YouTube after the stream. Had a really good little discussion where, I mean, I've started this like little playlist on my channel now called Trader Talks. It's basically, you know, when I go on a trip and I meet with people more experienced than me and are doing good, you know, I want to ask them questions, and I figured, okay, might as well now just film that. And then so you guys can learn something too, but I've learned a lot. And you know, one thing he's said, I find in common with many other things, is don't be too hard on yourself. I've heard it from him now. Like, that's what he wishes he'd tell himself when he was younger. I've heard it from him. I've also heard it from Reddit in Mark Minervi's book, Mindset Secrets to Success, something like that. Not his trading book, his mindset book. It's like Mindset Secrets to Success, something like that. Mark Minervi. He said, yeah, you should, if you mess up, you should be very neutral. You should not shame yourself. And move on, right? Learn from it, move on. And third, I heard it from ICT, right? So 3 different places I've heard that from now. And, you know, like I said, I can be a bit of a perfectionist, but I found that, yeah, just being neutral about it and like not shaming really super helpful. So, but he also shared a bunch of other things that we'll premiere it tomorrow after the stream. Tanya, can you explain your entry? Just 2-minute IFEG. Once this closed above, I entered. You know, some people would enter the retracement. That was probably the perfect entry. That's what I'll put in my notes, you know, because sure, this IFEG isn't a premium. But all in all, that's just 5 points in drawdown. I was in 5 points of drawdown for the trade. It was no big deal. That's funny. I have like alerts here for my, oh shit, forgot. Yeah, I do have calls on my options account I have to sell. Ooh. Here we are, rising up. Back on the street. Took my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just the man and his will to survive. So many times it happens too fast. You change your passion for glory. Don't lose a grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. Okay, also one other thing I learned. I mean, I've learned this from PAX again. And that's why it's good just to... you can't learn something just by hearing it once, by the way. If you hear it multiple times, and you know, it's going to stick to your head better. But he said, like, you know, the best traders, the most profitable traders, they add to their winners. And that's what I've been trying to do recently more often, because, you know, over the past few months, I've been talking about like, oh, I would add here, but, you know, I can't. I feel like it's like a mental hurdle, especially if I'm live streaming, right? It's just a whole nother ball game, because, you know, I'd love to see it later, but when I was adding here, I wonder if people are saying you're chasing, you're adding near the highs, you're adding in a premium, whatever. But I've gotten into the practice more of doing that. And so, like, at the minimum, you know, here, you know, added to my winners, I've made more money now. And then I also learned that from Tom Hoggard's book, Best Loser Wins. So anyway, how long was it? 42 minutes in this trade. He is kind of failing near the pre-market high. I mean, I don't particularly love that. So I might take a couple more partials. We're so close to it. Well, we'll see here. Then the 3 minutes probably cleaner here. But my stop's at like a good level. 434. I'll wait until the hourly close, honestly. There's 9 minutes left on this hourly candle. Also, like, one other thing, yeah, I say like, oh yeah, I'll bring out the money gun if it hits 500. You know, that does affect then potentially, oh, I want to hold, you know, and it's got maybe 12 points away or something from the target. Let's see now. Honestly, I don't have much to even look at here. Just the 3 minute. Could retrace again. The 5 minute, that looks good. We'll see how this 5 minute candle closes. Ideally, just green. Closes green, you know. So many times it happens too fast. Let's see ES at the same time on the 5. Okay, it's picking up. Yeah, it's in a 5 minute FEG. It's okay. Change your passion for glory. Don't lose grip on the dreams of the past. So, a really good stream today so far. We announced the giveaway winner for the laptop. And we got a banger trade. You can't say this isn't a banger. This is a banger. Let's see this 5 minute. I mean, it's looking good now. It's closing. It's green now, so it's good. About to close green. You must fight just to keep them alive. That's good. I like these days in the market. Like I said, it's actually a pretty low resistance run higher. As long as you could held. It was choppy before 10 a.m. news, but, you know, like I said, only looking for longs. There was no confirmation for longs before news. There was here kind of, but I didn't love that it wicked this, so I just waited. I said I'd wait for an inversion back up because I don't want to really be longing this retracement. This wasn't confirmed S&T yet, so once it did, then I longed here. It's basically longing the smart money reversal. Then I said, you know, this low should stay intact. That's where I had my break even. We came very close. I said last line the sand here, and we held up, so I was sick. And pretty sick. Can't complain. So let's go. About 10 points away from TP. We'll see if we get to the 500 mark, that level. It's a 4-hour high. It's right below the 4-hour high, and it's also like a psychological level. So excited to see how this goes. Let's see this last let's see this 15-minute candle. Well, the hourly candle is going to close in like 5 minutes. The 15, yeah, so like 6 minutes left. Yes, coming back down again. I prefer it to close strong. If not, then it could like dig back or trace here again, which would be fine. Just like not fun to hold. It's so close. Also, it's like London close in about 5 minutes. So I'd like it to hit this by then. I mean, or 11:10, but London closes at 11. So, I mean, the theory behind that is kind of like, you know, London close. People might be managing their positions near that time, closing or adding or rolling or whatever they want to do. So there might be an ejection of more movement there. So we'll see. That's why like the 1050 macro is probably my favorite. 1050 to 11:10. I think that's where I did. No, it's like 11:36 where I added. It's so close to my TP. It's just tickling. It's tickling me. But anyway, that's the goal, is like add to winners and slowly scale up my trading. Yeah. And be more just like super focused this year. Of course. Every day be better. I'm happy I managed to get myself back focused, but after the first 10 minutes of the stream was kind of funny. I was kind of annoyed. Someone got me annoyed. Will it get to my TP by 11? I mean, honestly, if it does, I'll take a couple more partials because I would hate to hold another retracement without taking a partial. La 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 la. We'll see at the end of this 5-minute candle. Ideally, you know, closes it in the upper half of this wick. Right? Am I up 2R, by the way? I probably am. I was, 2R is actually here. My OG entry, so it's fine. Okay, if I was like up 2R here, then I would have taken more partials off the table. Okay, where are we at? It's taken so long, this trade, that I have to move my chart more. I'm getting a retracement now. Just fine. I marked out that 5-minute FEG on ES, kind of looking at how we respond there. I mean, it would be good if we close above that in the next minute. And this, it's not ending where I wanted it to, so I'll see how this closes. If it closes above this, it would be ideal. See? So it took out the low back in the range. So I do actually anticipate, let's see how this closes, but I do anticipate now it's to go higher than higher. You can take me higher. Okay, this is coming close to that. Ending green. Doji. I'm gonna take one more partial. I just took one more partial just because I don't love how that candle closed, but it's good still because it closed above here. But again, it's 11, so I want us to start speeding up soon. I need this candle, this 5-minute right now, to close above previous one, previous high. Ideally, if we just dilly-dally more, it'll literally take more off the table. Yeah, I don't love the dilly-dallying here. You're so boring, NQ. Ugh. I'm gonna take one more partial. Okay, I partialed now. I only have a tiny bit left. I have what I added essentially, so I'm putting those at break even here. Makes sense. That's from where I added here. Okay. Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. What was another thing Pac said? He said, the break-even traders, they don't know how to manage your profits. So I'm getting better. I'm starting to get better at that, I think. I'm trying actively to do that because, sometimes, like I said, I really want that level to get taken. And I stick around too long and then it comes retraces on me and then I'm like, maybe I should have taken the partial there or something. So being more, just paying myself for holding that whole time now. La la la. Yeah, I don't love that word. And he's also said sometimes he'll just take it off if we're failing to get above. Not that I'm gonna switch my trading, but I'm noting more of the time stop, right? It's by 11:10, if we don't hit that, then I'll take my trade off, So 11:10 is here. So far, it's looking good. ES wicked this. It's good. See more pick up speed. New highs would be good. If not, it might just slow down a bit until lunchtime, but I'd like this happen. I'll take out the money gun. Oh my gosh, I have to click the F. It's because it's so high up. Focus, how to refocus my candles. Here we are, we're about 10 points. Are we gonna hit 500? Are we gonna hit 500 level? The 500 level? Let's go through the ceiling. Let's go. Let's pop up. It's now or never. Now or never. Stops are trailed to last low. Smash it, NQ. I'd like this 5 minute to be a strong 5 minute candle. There's either a time stop, 11:10, I'm taking this off, or the last swing low stop and profit. Either way, made money today. How is everyone else's people's trade of 8 down? My trade of 8's fine today. Maybe because I connected way earlier. Because I connected, I was up like at 8:45 at the charts. Let me make sure we're all good. Okay. Cool. I don't like this 5 minute now. You see, it's like stalling. I jinxed it. Again, I keep jinxing this shit. We gotta see what this 5 minute candle does. I hate that I took out the high, wicked, and swept back in. Now this is an inside. At the moment, we'll see. It's 4 minutes left. This is too hard to ask for. To be fair, you know, I took most of my profits, and I'm very close to high, so whatever. This is like where the perfectionism sinks in, though. But like, I can't project my perfectionism onto the market when like you have to move exactly perfectly. That's why it's important to manage your profits. Let's hit that line at 500. You can take me higher. Let's go. Yeah, she got scared. I said you have 3 minutes left. Or what's this high here? 95.25, 5 points away. 5 points away. Wake up! I have to take the time stop otherwise. Because I've been here too many times. See. 2 minutes left. I can't believe this shit. What was this high? 94.25. This high was 95.25. How NQ disappointing me, a house how you're moving here. So I'm literally giving this 11:10. I'm closing this. We have a minute and 24 seconds to get up 17 points, or else I'm closing you. I don't care if it's one tick away. I have 50 seconds left, bro. What are you even doing on the one? Nothing. Bum 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 bum. Five's so much cleaner. It was just mad weird. Took the high it's back in here. Even though it's really close to my TP, I mean, I have to stand by my little. I mean, how long was I in this trade here for? Since 10:06, and right now it's like it's literally over an hour. So here we are. I'm taking the profit. That hurt, but I had to. The W. I took it. Took the profit. Now it's probably gonna go up, but I don't care if it goes up or down from here. That's it. W's in the chat. No money gun because it didn't hit 500 level. NQ has to comply. Tiny trades, bro, you made 30K. You don't have to worry about pocket picking, whatever that's called. Pocket watching. Who won the laptop giveaway? If you could scroll right before 10 a.m. back in the stream, you'll see. His name is, this is who won the laptop giveaway. XN Dreju 2690. Congrats. Wolf. And earlier. Yeah. Oh, he changed his profile. Did he change his profile picture and take his take his SoundCloud out? Right? That's funny. We were listening to his SoundCloud earlier. Oh no, it's this. It's what? Is anyone else confused? Oh, this guy does not follow me. Okay, so shit. How the hell did that happen? I clicked this. It's this person. He follows me. Okay. This is some random person I tweeted at. Let me delete that shit. That's crazy. But it's this guy, Dreju2690. I'm deadass confused about how that happened. Poland. Yeah, this looks like a Polish guy. This is a trader. Yo, we were listening to some random SoundCloud guy. Okay. Congrats. I'm gonna type him out. Let's see. Congrats, you won the laptop giveaway. Maybe I copy and pasted that earlier, but I'm gonna look back also in the stream to see if I don't think I showed. Yeah, it's fine. Shit. But we showed the winner, Dreju2690. Okay. That's so funny, dude. Okay. Send me your choice of the MacBook or the Lenovo and your address. Okay. How do I get on that SoundCloud? Oh, this one makes way more sense. This Twitter. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I'm happy I took where I took my profit. We literally, I am gonna see here. We're gonna get back down lower. Yeah, just like lag. That's another thing I learned. You guys are gonna learn from the PAX interview. Money gun, money gun. We can't do the money gun. Let's see them DMs. Someone said, "No, you can't see my Twitter DMs." Oh, he said, I saw that you messaged my old account. Okay. So maybe because they're watching the live stream. Okay. Okay. You guys, I guess, I guess it's, okay. So I guess you changed your Twitter handle in your, I know, I thought that the SoundCloud was I thought it was Bulgarian or something, but I guess it was Polish. That makes sense now. Okay, they're already listening here. Type something in the live stream. Yeah, there's no money gun. I cut it short. Yeah. He knows he's here. Okay, that's good. See my personal message. Okay. I'm glad that mystery was sorted out just now. He's gonna take the MacBook, you guys. That's good. Oh, okay, that makes me feel a lot better. I was so confused about how I found what SoundCloud we were listening to. Okay, perfect. Tanya, can you explain more about you charting on the NASDAQ and taking a setup on MNQ? You spoke about it yesterday on NinjaTrader. Yeah, I'm going to chart on the NASDAQ because that's where most of the volume is. And I'm just going to take the same setup on MNQ and I'll put the stop at the swing low on MNQ. But I like using NASDAQ levels because it's just way more big entities are involved there, right? Because MNQ is just based on the NASDAQ, right? So if I'm trading, the banks are not trading micros. So if I'm trading smart money concepts based on the banks and that kind of thought process, let's say smart money, they're not trading micros, so they're trading minis. So I'm going to chart the minis. Okay, the winner's in the chat. I'm happy the winner's in the chat. Congrats. That's it. He knows he's here. That's good. Lit. Good day. Yeah, it's a good day. We really did well, and I'm happy where I cut it literally here. And now we're retracing. So maybe it's just building up more liquidity. That's what I have to keep in mind. It's building up equal highs to take out later. So you gotta, even if you're wrong, you can make money along the way. You're wrong in the sense of hitting it by the end of the New York session, right? You can be right about direction, everything, and make money along the way. So I'm happy. It's a good day. So everyone have a good day. We got a W. We chose the laptop winner. Amazing day. Don't be a degenerate. I'll see you back here tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Okay? Love you. Bye.